so hard to say goodbye to yesterday, to the laughter after dark that kept the fear away, to the way the whole room glowed when nobody had to hide, to the silence after tears when love stayed by our side. We thought these days would last forever, and now the moment slips away. I'm holding on with open hands, though I can't make it stay. Every heartbeat, every promise, every word we couldn't say, lives somewhere between the shadows and the light of yesterday. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday, to the faces in this room and how they say my name. Ooh, to the little things we knew like they'd never have an end, and to the prayers we never spoke and the strength we used to lend. If tomorrow pulls me farther, I won't let these moments fade. Some goodbyes are full of love, even while they ache, and the ache is only proof that something beautiful was made. So I carry every fragment of the light you gave. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday, to the corners of this life where our younger shadows stay, to the dreams we were so close like they'd never come undone, to the nights we lost our way and still found the morning sun. Now the hall feels like an echo, now the air has learned your name, and I hear you in the distance like a soft and steady flame. We thought these days would last forever, and now the moment slips away. I'm reaching for what time can't hold, but time won't let me stay. Still I feel your hands around me, and the choices that I make, and I know that love keeps breathing long after hearts must break. It's so hard to say goodbye.